Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura and you're watching Mail Call Monday. So I once again got involved in some swaps. And I'm wanting to share with you my little surprises that I got in the mail from some swaps with some groups on Facebook. We're going to start with Simply Swapping. And this is from Miss Simone. And we were doing a rainbow charm. So we should be getting some Roy G. Biv charms. And Miss Simone, okay, that's pretty. So I've got my red, my orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and my violet. So I think Miss Simone did a wonderful job of picking out these fabrics. Very pretty. So that's the first one. And then Miss Becky. Simply Swapping 5-inch rainbow charms. Actually, I want to make sure I put this together so I can take a picture and post a thank you on the page on Facebook. So Simply Swapping on Facebook. And then these are from Miss Becky. To go. I love it. And I learned something the other day. I know, amazing, right? I was talking to Susan Hyder, the owner-operator of Hyder Hangout Quilts and More up in Cleveland. And we were just kind of chatting, and she told me a story about the charms that these actually go back to a number of years. That our pioneer women, they would cut up their squares and they would have them with them in the wagons. And then when they went from town to town as they were traveling across the country, the women would swap their squares of fabrics for other squares. So that at the end of their journey, they had all these squares of all different fabrics. And they were able to put together a charm quilt that had all of the squares that they had collected on their journey. And believe it or not, I think that has inspired me that I think I want to try to do something like that. Just to put together something like that. Alright, now this one, I've got 3 envelopes, and then it's from the Happy Scrappy Quilter Swap. Let's try saying that 3 times real fast. Happy Scrappy Quilter Swap. And this time we were swapping some 8-inch squares of blues. This is from, I gotta look. So Miss Heather has sent these to me. Okay. Tell you what, I think I can do a lot with these. String quilt maybe, huh? So thank you, Heather. I really like these. I may have this one. So you must have really good taste in fabric. Or something like it anyway. But real pretty. So that was from Heather. And then from Miss Carla. Oh, I like this one. Look at that. That's great. These are very great. I like these. Alright, I may have to ask Miss Heather where she got this one from. I really like that one. So, Miss Heather, if you're watching, where did you get this? This blue with the little flowers. I really like that one. Okay, that's neat. That almost looks like, you know, icicles or on the window panes. These are great. I love these. So those are from Miss Heather. As I'm trying to keep those with my envelopes here. This one is from, okay, she just got the letter K. But she's from Evansville, so Miss K. Oh, I like that one. I like all fabric, I guess. It don't matter. I am a fabric-holic. Oh, and I love all these different shades of blue, too. This is great. Different shades. Oh, this one. Okay, this looks very vintagey. Yes, that's my made-up word. Vintagey. This could be... I love the vintage and the reproduction fabrics. So that is... that's all of my mail call for today. But I'll keep y'all posted on if I you know, do something with those charm squares. I really love hearing about the history of the quilts and how things happen. So that to me, this is so neat to think that the ladies were traveling across the country and getting souvenirs from their travels. You know, we stop and we buy spoons and salt and pepper shakers, bells, thimbles, postcards, t-shirts. You know, so-and-so went to the Grand Canyon and all I got was this lousy t-shirt. I got wet on the Grizzly River Rampage, you know. But they went and got little squares and then they made them into a quilt when they got to their destination. Or possibly even sewing them by hand as they're traveling along. It just really appeals to me. I like that idea. So, if you would like to participate in some of these swaps, then you just need to go to Facebook. There are a lot of groups on there. And I'm just thrilled. There is Simply Swapping. One of the ladies there, her name's Bernie. She seems like a sweet lady. Lot of swaps going on in that group. Then you've got your Happy Scrappy Quilter Swap. And they're having swaps. You've got quilt swaps and challenges for beginners. There's just a large number. And but I'd like to know from you, do you participate in swaps? And if the answer is yes, would you tell us what groups you swap with or how you found them? Because I know some people don't like to do Facebook. But maybe we'd like to join in. Let me know in the comments below if you participate in swaps and what swaps you participate in. How can we join in with you? And I would like to do a poll as well. So if you just look up here in this eye, there should be a poll answering if you do swaps or if you don't. So I'd love to know. So please answer the poll if you do swaps or if you don't. Yes or no. And then if you do, tell me in the comments your favorite ones and how we can get there and join in. Check us out on Facebook, Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners. Also, Crazy Dave's Crew page or on cdcrew.com. And I will see you next time with more lovely, lovely fabric goodies in the mail. This has been a Monday Mail Call with Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks so much for joining us.